Good clock, so.
All right, that was item number 70, new for 2019, World Class United States of America. Good commentary there. Again, we will have that item. It'll be about mid-May. All right, next item is a great seller for us. Item number 71, World Class Chasing Booty.
That's what she says.
She didn't say it to you, though.
Neither did she say it to you. My mother didn't say it to you. I know that for a fact.
Wow, that was nice.
That was item number 71, World Class Chasing Booty. Again, a great selling 500 gram item for us. All right, moving on, item number 72, another good 500 gram selling cake for us. World Class Kill Bill, item number 72.
Did I tell him to shut the fuck up? Because it's really getting on
All
my
right, that was
nerves.
item number 72, a good long-lasting 500 gram cake there, 36 shots, World Class Kill Bill.
You know them?
All right, next item on your shoe sheet,
Sorry, what hurt
item
your
number
feelings? Like somebody
73,
shut up?
Angry Leprechaun. We will not be shooting. Moving on, we're going to shoot item number 74, one of the best-selling 500 gram cakes we have, World Class Fighting Rooster, item number 74.
There we go. That was nice. That one's always good.
All right, that was item number 74, World Class Fighting Rooster. All right, next item number 75, new for 2019, World Class Patriot Pride. We'll have this about mid-May. Multi-stage effects here, good hard-hitting whistling cake.
That's real nice. I like it.
That was item number 75, new for 2019, World Class Patriot Pride. Again, we will have that item about mid-May. Next is another good 500 gram cake. Good backyard finale here for anyone that's wanting one. Item number 76, World Class America's Pastime.
Hey, hey! Grab him.
You're good.
That was item number 76, World Class America's Pastime. Again, good finale, 500 gram cake there, multi-effects, long duration there. Moving on, item number 77, World Class Thin Blue Line. Item number 77.
If you double click the pen, it's away.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got distracted by grandchildren.
That was item number 77, World Class Thin Blue Line. Next item number 78, we will not be shooting.
Again?
We'll not be getting that item in this year. So move on to the last item on page number 8, World Class Skyfall. Item number 79, World Class Skyfall.
That one hits. Hell yeah. That was it. Some of those. Hell yeah.
Bobby! Did you make that?
I think I did.
All right, that was item number
That was
79,
homemade.
World Class Skyfall. Flipping page.
Did he say that one was in
page
stock
on
or
your
it's not
sheet
going
sheets
to?
here. Page number 9. Item number 80, World Class Chicken on a Chain.
Dang, that one went high. I don't remember those going that high.
Chicken on a chain was a smaller one.
That was item number 80, World Class Chicken on a Chain. Next item number 81, new for 2019, World Class Duty Calls. We will have this one this next week. Good comic cake, mind effects, and a 3-shot
Oh,
finale.
that was nice. Nice effect. Good hitter.
That was
like
item
that
number
butterfly
81, new
effect.
for 2019,
Yeah.
Duty
Mhm.
Calls.
Oh yeah, that
Again, we'll
raccoon,
have
that
item in
butterfly
next
one was
week.
nice. Neon butterfly or something like that.
Next item is item number 82, another good selling 500 gram cake, World Class Tank Girl. 46 shot, 500 gram cake, item number 82, Tank Girl.
last one.
Pick it up.
All right, that was item number 82, World Class Tank Girl.
This is
All
one of my
right,
favorites.
last item that we will be shooting tonight, as we will not be getting any of the 3-inch cakes in this year due to the port closure.
That sucks.
Last
I wanted
item
to
we
see
will be
those.
shooting is item number 83, World Class High Def. Item number 83.
They beefed this one up.
Breaks. Man, they're really.
All right, that was item number 83, World Class High Def. Again, we will not be shooting any of the 3-inch cakes, as we will not be getting any of those in this year due to the port closure.
You don't have any of the old ones you want to show us?
All right, before we
Right.
start the finale show, I just want to again thank everyone for coming out tonight. Because of you guys, we are able to do business and everything like that year in and year out. So again, thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for making Jake's Fireworks what we are today. So thank you guys. Big round of applause to you guys out there tonight.
I'm going to go and look at some of the labels and stuff.
The labels?
See what they look like.
On these ones?
No, I don't care about shooting these. I've seen all these. Coming inside. What do y'all?
All right, if you guys
gonna
give
hang
us
out for a
couple
minute?
minutes here, while we get these guys
Okay.
set up here. We got Motherland
Okay.
Pyrotechnics out of Columbia, South Carolina, doing our show this year.
All right, buddy.
It's to Pyro Music.
Oh yeah, you do. Don't you?
So give us a couple
Those-
minutes
those
here, we'll
some
get
pretty
everything
darn
set
good ones,
up,
man.
and then we'll do a
Some of them are good. I just-
Chicken on the chain
get
was
the
off the
finale show
chain.
going,
I was
and,
surprised. Like I said,
Yeah, that one was
it
nice.
used to be a smaller
one
cake
last
with
thing
not as
before
high
you guys
breaks.
head out
Yeah.
tonight.
They'll have long
We
hang
will be
time.
open
Yeah,
tomorrow from
yeah.
about 8 to
That
noon.
looks like they
So
pulled
if you
one of
guys
their
wanna
old
call in,
Yeah,
9
old-
racks
yeah,
out.
old one.
or stop by or anything like
Yeah.
that out at the
Yeah.
warehouse, we will be open from 8 to noon.